Herbs are easy plants to grow and can be good for your health as well as tasting delicious. In this video, we will learn about 8 best herbs to grow for beginners. If you have not yet subscribed to Urban Gardening, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. Unlike some of the other herb seeds, sage seeds are little bigger, which makes them easy to separate and plant out. Moisten the potting medium and sprinkle a few sage seeds across the surface. Scatter the seeds over seed starting soil and cover them with ½ inch of soil. Tap the soil with your hand to firm in. After planting seeds, use a spray bottle to wet the soil. Seeds should germinate anywhere from 6 to 8 days after sowing. Sage seedlings need consistent water. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. They are ready to transplant when they have 2 sets of true leaves and stand about 4 to 5 inches high. Soil that is more on the sandy side and drains well is perfect for growing sage. Use 40% garden soil, 30% compost and 30% river sand. Make a hole in the soil mix and place the seedling in the hole at the same depth that it was growing in the previous pot. In a 12-inch wide pot, we can easily grow 2 to 3 sage plants with ease. Soak the soil around new seedlings immediately after transplanting in order to settle the roots, eliminate air pockets. Keep the pot where it can receive at least 6 hours of bright direct sunlight. In hot summers, some afternoon shade can be beneficial. Sage should be ready to harvest in approximately 70 to 90 days. Harvest sage by picking off leaves as you need them. No herb garden is complete without sage. This herb brings a strong aroma and earthy flavor to the table and is used in food dishes around the world. To start your seeds, take a small pot with proper drainage holes at the bottom. Moisten your soil mix. The soil should be damp but not wet. Chamomile seeds need only be scattered over loose soil and gently tamped down. Chamomile seed needs light to germinate, so cover with a thin layer of soil mix or don't cover at all. Mist the seeds with a spray bottle. Seeds will germinate after 6 to 8 days. Chamomile grows best in the cool season, so the typical winter and spring conditions are ideal. Transplant once seedlings are 3 to 5 inches tall. This should be about 4 to 5 weeks after you started the seeds. For the soil mix, make sure you use a light organic potting mix and add compost for extra nutrients. Make a planting hole in the soil mix and carefully place your seedling into it. Fill around the seedling to anchor it into its new position. Once you have successfully repotted all of your seedlings, give them all a substantial watering. Chamomile plants need very little care. Once established, they are fairly drought tolerant. While chamomile may attract bees and butterflies, it's usually pest-free beyond that. You shouldn't need to worry about pesticides. Harvest flowers once they have bloomed. Your plants should continue blooming all summer long. As you snip off blooms, new ones should grow in their place. Dill plants need a well-drained soil enriched with plenty of organic matter. Prepare soil by mixing 50% garden soil, 30% cattle manure and 20% sand. Moistening the soil before sowing seeds provides the necessary moisture for germination. Scatter seeds evenly over the surface, then smooth the soil over lightly to cover the seeds. Because dill doesn't do well with transplanting, it's best to direct sow the seeds at their final location. Proper watering is essential for growing dill. Keep the soil evenly moist for constant growth. When seedlings are 4 to 5 inches tall, reduce their numbers to just the strongest seedlings every 5 to 6 inches. Dill prefers full sun. Keep dill in a location with at least 5 to 7 hours of sun a day. Dill reaches full maturity in about 40 to 50 days depending on the variety. To harvest, snip off outer leaves from young plants on a cut and come again basis. Always keep at least 1/3 of the plant in place to continue growing. Lemongrass can be grown from seed, but the easiest way is from a fresh lemongrass stalk that you can buy from most supermarket, Asian stores and grocers. Make sure that the base of each stalk is still intact and not rotten or moldy. Also avoid any that are dried out. Well-drained sandy loam soil is most suitable for the growth of lemongrass plants. For that, mix 50% garden soil, 30% cattle manure and 20% river sand. Cut off the upper leaves for cooking, leaving behind roughly 3 to 4 inches of the stalk. Make 2 to 3 inch deep hole in the soil mix and put the bottom part of the stalk into it. Fill around the stalk to anchor it into its new position. Press the soil or gently tap the pot to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting. This will help the plants settle into new location. After 7 to 8 days, you will notice new leafy growth. Lemongrass requires a warm sunny location to thrive, so place your lemongrass in a well-lit location outdoors with 5 to 7 hours of sun per day. Once plants are well established, feed with cattle manure or vermicompost. Repeat after every 18 to 20 days for healthy growth. Mix well in the soil and immediately water the soil so the fertilizer soaks in and gets absorbed by the roots. To harvest, cut 4 to 6 inch of the top growth, but make sure you leave plenty on the plant to allow it to produce new growth. Use high quality seeds as they ensure strong germination and rapid growth of the plants. To encourage wholesome growth, make sure the soil is loose and fertile. For that, use a mix of 40% garden soil, 30% Cocopeat and 30% vermicompost or leaf mold. Sprinkle seeds evenly over the soil surface. They need light to germinate, so lightly cover the seeds with the soil mix. Press the soil with your hand and water with a gentle shower. Oregano seeds usually germinate within 8 to 12 days. Once your oregano plants are established, you will notice they like to spread and spread fairly quickly. Plants can be harvested anytime once they have reached 5 to 6 inches tall. The best way to harvest oregano is to pinch off tips as they grow. This will prevent it from blooming and going to seed. It will also encourage bushier growth. Oregano leaves can be dried or frozen. Store dried leaves or whole stalks in airtight containers away from bright light. Rocket seeds can be sown year-round in most climates, although cooler temperatures are said to produce the best crops. Rocket likes fertile soil that retains some moisture. For that, use 60% garden soil and 40% cattle manure. Moistening the soil before sowing seeds provides the necessary moisture for germination. Sprinkle seeds evenly over the soil surface. Once you have done this, simply cover it over with soil, then firm gently and water well. Keep the pot in full sun and make sure soil remains moist but never wet or dry. Rocket doesn't take that long to germinate, so you will see the results quite quickly. Rocket needs to be kept well watered, especially in hot and dry conditions, otherwise it can prematurely bolt. They call it rocket for a reason. This leafy herb is fast growing. You can harvest in as little as 5 to 6 weeks and is perfect for adding a spicy, peppery bite to your dishes. Start picking when leaves are about 2 to 4 inches big. The younger leaves are milder, more tender and delicately flavored and should be picked regularly to keep plants producing more. Take a small pot with drainage hole at the bottom. Thyme likes dry, sandy soil with good drainage. For that, use a mix of 50% garden soil, 30% vermicompost and 20% sand. Moisten the soil mix before you sow your seeds. Scatter seeds on top of the soil and do not cover them as they need light to germinate. Press lightly into the surface so that the seeds make good contact with the soil. Using a spray bottle to mist the surface can help maintain the right moisture level without disturbing the seed. Keep them moist while they germinate, which should take 5 to 8 days. Avoid watering the leaves of plants to avoid fungal diseases. At this stage, ensure they receive adequate light and moisture as they continue to grow. Position your thyme plants in a spot where they can get at least 5 to 7 hours of full sun daily. Thyme should be ready to harvest in approximately 70 to 90 days. Harvest by pinching off the outer stems and leaves, leaving some on the plant for future growth. Always use fresh seeds to get good germination. Use seed starting mix or make your own mix by combining 50% garden soil, 30% vermicompost and 20% Cocopeat. It is generally recommended to moisten the soil before planting seeds. Scatter seeds across the pot by hand. Cover the seeds with a sprinkling of dry soil mix. Press lightly with your hand and water with a gentle shower. Thai basil seeds should emerge within 10 days and will first have 2 cotyledons before growing true leaves. Once the basil plants are 4 to 6 inches tall and have at least 3 to 4 true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Plant Thai basil in rich, well-drained soil that holds moisture well. For that, use a mix of 50% garden soil, 30% compost and 20% river sand. Make a hole and lower the seedling into it. Fill in around the sides with soil, gently tamp down and water well. Thai basil plants grow best in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun per day. Once a young Thai basil plant has 6 to 8 sets of leaves, pinch off the top set of leaves to encourage branching and fuller growth. Harvest Thai basil by picking the upper leaves from each branch, which will encourage growth. Frequent harvesting as often as every other day will encourage more vigorous growth.